Hi, this is your instructor, Julia Grab. I'm going to show you how to create a formula, a function, and to use your pointer to click and enter cell references in this quick video. So we need to calculate the total income on our budget. In order to do that, there's a few ways we can go about it. First, we're going to type the equal to sign to show Excel that we're creating a formula or a function. Here, we'll create a formula. Let's just go equals B4, referring to the cell where our student loan is, then the plus symbol, B5 plus B6. It highlights each of the cells. When I press enter, I get the value in B7, and I can see the formula. The function is a little bit more efficient because we can use the range of values rather than typing each cell individually. So in B17, again, we're going to use the equal to, and now we're going to use a function sum. So this function is for summation, addition, and I can see here that I can just type in the cell references followed by a comma for each, or I can include the range. So here I'm going to include a range, B10 to B16. I'm saying add all those values and give me the output. So again, I see in the formula bar the function and here the result. When I update the values, so for transportation, for example, if I update the value to 150, you can see that the resulting calculation in B17 updates depending on these dependent cells. So we'll go back to the original value using Control Z, and let's save. Control S. Finally, we're going to use the third method of point and click. So let's do our net here. So we want to know what's the resulting calculation of the difference between our income and our expenses. So again, equals to. Now we're going to take our total income using click and point. I'm clicking the cell that I want to calculate, minus our total expenses, and I get the net result. And again, in the formula bar, you can see the function. Experiment by changing any of the expenses or income to see how this net value will update. In the next video, we're going to look at copy and fill options.